You wake up in the morning and try to stand up, but your legs are shaking and weak. Your hands can't hold on to a glass of water. A feeling of panic sets in. What happened? What if I told you that the real culprit is already working silently inside your body right now, quietly eroding your strength without any warning signs? It's not a fantasy. It's a scary reality called sarcopenia, the silent enemy of aging. But what if I revealed that the solution to combat and even reverse this condition is right in your kitchen? That you can completely rebuild the muscle mass you thought you had lost, regain flexibility even when you're over 80? By the end of this video, the secret of the golden foods, the real warriors that help restore muscle, will be revealed. Join me on this journey to find your own power and freedom. Don't take your eyes off the screen, because what you're about to hear could change your life forever. But before we explore those magical solutions, we need to understand more about the invisible enemy that is silently attacking your health every day. Sarcopenia, the silent thief of strength. Have you ever felt that, even though you're not sick? Your energy seems to be draining away every day. That lingering feeling of lethargy, climbing a few flights of stairs makes you gasp for breath, or simply getting up from a chair becomes more difficult than before. It may not be just a sign of old age. After the age of 50, a complex process called sarcopenia often begins to accelerate, silently weakening your strength and mobility, affecting your quality of life and independence. The World Health Organization, WHO has officially recognized sarcopenia as a medical condition that deserves proper attention. It doesn't come on suddenly with a bang. Sarcopenia is like an undercurrent, slowly eroding the foundation of your health, until the symptoms become more obvious: poor balance, reduced strength in your limbs, difficulty performing daily activities, and an increased risk of falls and injuries. A remarkable study from Harvard Medical School has shown that a significant percentage of muscle mass can be lost after age 60, and for many people, the process can begin as early as their 50s. Faced with this reality, you may wonder if there is a ray of hope. The good news is, there is, and it's more than you think. Good news: muscle loss is not permanent. But it's important not to view sarcopenia as a death sentence. Advances in scientific research are opening up new insights, shattering the notion that muscle loss is an inevitable part of aging. One groundbreaking study, for example, showed that an impressive 91% of participants over the age of 70 experienced significant improvements in muscle mass after just 6 weeks of making sensible dietary adjustments. Scientists have identified specific food groups with valuable bioactive compounds that can actively support the maintenance and even regeneration of muscle tissue, even in older adults. This has huge implications. Although aging is a natural process with inevitable changes, sarcopenia can be controlled, slowed down, and muscle function improved through scientifically based, accessible, and sustainable nutritional strategies that sometimes even outperform other interventions. So what are these nutritional warriors, and how can they become your allies? Let's explore the golden list right below. 9 golden foods that help recover and build muscle for the elderly. And now, we will go into detail about 9 foods that are considered treasures in supporting recovery and building muscle, especially important for the elderly. Pay attention to each type, because each type has its own unique values, and in particular, the 6th food will bring an interesting perspective that you may have never heard of. Let's start with a familiar grain that is often underestimated for its true value. 1. Brown rice, a steady source of energy and outstanding benefits. Often overlooked in favor of refined white rice, brown rice is actually a nutritional treasure trove that should not be overlooked. The biggest difference is that brown rice retains the bran and germ layers, which contain most of the fiber, vitamins, and minerals. It provides complex carbohydrates, a type of energy that is released slowly into the bloodstream, helping to maintain more stable blood sugar levels than simple carbohydrates. This is especially important for the elderly, helping to avoid sudden fatigue caused by fluctuating blood sugar levels, while providing lasting energy for physical activities and muscle recovery. Brown rice is also a rich source of magnesium, an essential mineral involved in hundreds of enzyme reactions in the body, including muscle contraction and protein synthesis. B vitamins also play a key role in energy metabolism and maintaining A healthy nervous system, which is the foundation for coordination and muscle strength. By choosing brown rice, you are laying a solid foundation for long-term energy and muscle health. With this solid energy foundation, your body is ready to receive more quintessential muscle-building materials. And the next superfood is a perfect source of those materials. 2. Quinoa, an impressive source of complete plant-based protein. Quinoa, also known as quinoa, has quickly established itself as a superfood in healthy diets, and its benefits are especially prominent for older adults in maintaining muscle health. The most special thing about quinoa is that it provides a complete protein, meaning it contains all 9 essential amino acids that our bodies cannot produce on their own. These are the basic building blocks for muscle repair, regeneration, and growth. As we age, our body's ability to synthesize protein tends to decline, making it even more important to ensure adequate levels of essential amino acids to prevent muscle breakdown and preserve strength. A cup of cooked quinoa provides about 8 grams of high-quality protein, along with a significant amount of fiber, which aids digestion and helps stabilize blood sugar. Quinoa is also rich in other important micronutrients such as magnesium, iron, and B vitamins, creating a comprehensive nutritional package that supports muscle health, energy levels, and overall health. Quinoa is truly a gift from nature, helping you to replenish the fuel to keep your muscles toned. When your muscles are provided with enough fuel to regenerate, it is equally important to protect them from harmful factors from within. See how this tiny but mighty nut does just that. 3. Walnuts, natural, anti-inflammatory shield, and muscle protector. Walnuts are not only a delicious snack, they are also considered one of the healthiest nuts on the planet, and for good reason. They are a rich source of essential nutrients that not only support heart health, but also play an important role in preserving muscle mass, especially in older adults. One of the most notable features of walnuts is their content of omega-3 fatty acids, specifically alpha-linolenic acid, ALA. These essential fats are crucial in reducing inflammation in the body, one of the main factors contributing to muscle breakdown and joint pain. The omega-3 fatty acids in walnuts are also thought to be beneficial in regulating cortisol, a stress hormone that can promote muscle loss. In addition to omega-3, walnuts contain a range of powerful antioxidants, including vitamin E and polyphenol compounds, which help protect the body's cells, including muscle cells, from damage caused by oxidative stress, a factor that promotes aging and muscle fiber degeneration. Add a handful of walnuts to your diet, and you're arming your muscles with a solid shield. If walnuts are an anti-inflammatory shield, then this upcoming berry is the squad that cleans up free radicals and speeds up recovery, helping you feel more youthful and energetic. 4. Blueberries, the antioxidant power that protects muscles. You may not know about the little blueberries. With their distinctive deep purple color, are often hailed as superfoods, and the title is well deserved, especially when considering their positive effects on muscle health. They contain abundant amounts of anthocyanins, a powerful group of antioxidants that give the fruit its color, and also play a key role in reducing oxidative stress, one of the main causes of aging, and the degeneration of muscle tissue. As we age, the accumulation of free radicals in the body leads to increased oxidative stress, which can damage muscle fibers and contribute to muscle weakness. Blueberries, with their ability to neutralize these free radicals, help reduce oxidative damage, thereby supporting the health and longevity of muscle tissue. Another important benefit of blueberries for seniors is their ability to support muscle recovery after exercise or physical activity. The antioxidants in blueberries help speed up the repair process by reducing inflammation and oxidative damage. This is especially beneficial for seniors, who often have longer muscle recovery times. Blueberries are the silent warriors that help your muscles rejuvenate from the inside. After cleaning up and recharging with blueberries, your body needs more micronutrients with great power to optimize the protection process. Another seed, although small, contains an incredible source of energy and protection. 5. Flax seeds, tiny seeds with surprising muscle-building power despite their modest size. Flax seeds pack a significant nutritional punch that contributes positively to muscle and overall health. These tiny seeds are an excellent source of plant-based omega-3 fatty acids, alpha-linolenic acid, ALA, fiber, and protein, all of which are essential for maintaining muscle mass, reducing inflammation, and supporting recovery, which is especially important for older adults. The high omega-3 ALA content in flax seeds plays an important role in controlling the inflammatory response in the body, which is essential for preventing muscle breakdown and promoting muscle tissue repair after injury or exercise. Interestingly, flax seeds contain lignans, plant compounds with powerful antioxidant properties that help protect muscle cells from damage caused by free radicals. In addition, flax seeds are also a rich source of fiber, including both soluble and insoluble fiber, which not only promotes intestinal health, but can also enhance the absorption of other important nutrients needed for muscle nourishment. Don't underestimate these little seeds. They are really heavyweight boxers in protecting your health. We have explored the sources of energy and protection during the day. But did you know the important muscle recovery process happens while you sleep? And that's where the game-changing food I mentioned earlier comes in. 6. Cottage cheese, the ultimate protein source for nighttime muscle growth. Cottage cheese is an underrated food for muscle health, especially for older adults, but it's an unsung hero. Unlike many other dairy products, cottage cheese is particularly rich in casein protein, a protein known for its slow digestion and absorption. This slow-release property provides the body with a steady, prolonged source of amino acids, making it an ideal food choice for muscle maintenance and recovery, especially during long periods between meals or overnight. With about 25 grams of protein per cup, cottage cheese provides a significant amount of high-quality protein, which helps stimulate muscle protein synthesis. As we age, our muscles can become less sensitive to the effects of protein, which means that older adults may need to consume more protein to achieve the same growth and repair benefits as younger adults. Cottage cheese is an easy and convenient way to meet these increased protein needs, especially as a bedtime snack that can help prevent muscle loss overnight when the body is in a state of prolonged fasting. It's truly a reliable night guard for your muscles. With cottage cheese as your night guard, your muscles are protected. But if you want another option that's just as powerful and also adds probiotics to your gut, you can't miss its brother, another dairy product with great potential. 7. Greek yogurt, a concentrated nutritional powerhouse for building muscle. Greek yogurt has become a popular choice, not only for its delicious taste, but also for its superior nutritional profile, especially when it comes to muscle recovery and preservation. Compared to regular yogurt, Greek yogurt undergoes a special filtration process that removes much of the whey and lactose, resulting in a more concentrated, protein-rich product, delivering up to 20 grams of high-quality protein in just one 6-ounce serving. The majority of the protein in Greek yogurt is casein, which is similar to cottage cheese and is slow to digest, releasing amino acids slowly and steadily into the bloodstream over several hours. This makes Greek yogurt a great choice, especially for an evening snack or post-workout, to help nourish muscles and prevent muscle catabolism, muscle breakdown during rest. In addition, Greek yogurt is also a source of calcium, vitamin D, fortified in some varieties, and phosphorus, 3 micronutrients essential for bone health and muscle function. The probiotics in Greek yogurt also help balance the gut microbiome, enhance nutrient absorption, and may help reduce systemic inflammation, indirectly supporting muscle recovery. Greek yogurt is more than just a dessert, it's a true nutritional powerhouse. With a healthy gut and a nighttime protein source secured, it's time to turn to a superstar from the ocean, which not only provides quality protein but also contains special fats that help muscles receive protein better. 8. Fatty fish, the omega-3 secret that unlocks your muscle recovery potential. Fatty fish like salmon, sardines, mackerel, and tuna are not only delicious, they are also powerful allies in maintaining and enhancing muscle strength, especially as we age. Their effectiveness comes from their potent combination of high-quality, complete proteins and rich omega-3 fatty acids, especially EPA, eicosapentaenoic acid, and DHA, docosahexaenoic acid. These valuable compounds not only have anti-inflammatory effects powerful, helping to reduce inflammatory processes that can accelerate muscle degeneration, but has also been shown to increase the sensitivity of muscle cells to protein. This means that your body can use amino acids from protein more efficiently to synthesize new muscle fibers. As we age, the sensitivity tends to naturally decline, but supplementing with omega-3 salt from fatty fish can help improve the situation, thereby stimulating growth and preserving lean muscle mass even later in life. A 100-gram serving of salmon can provide around 20 grams of high biological value protein along with a significant amount of beneficial fats. These fish are also a natural source of vitamin D, an important nutrient for muscle function and bone health that many older adults are deficient in. Fatty fish are a double whammy of the sea, providing protein while optimizing its use. Fatty fish has its own unique benefits, but when it comes to building a solid muscle fortress, we cannot ignore the most important foundation brick, a factor that determines the speed and efficiency of the regeneration process. 9. Lean protein, a solid foundation against weakness and loss of muscle mass, often overlooked or even unnecessarily limited in the diet of older adults. Lean protein sources, whether from animals like chicken breast, whitefish, sirloin, or plants like tofu, beans, quinoa, are the foundational ingredients, the most important allies in preserving and building muscle strength. An important fact that many older adults may not know: as you age, your body's protein needs to maintain muscle mass actually increase, not decrease. Reputable scientific studies show that older adults may need about 1.2 to 1.5 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight per day, a figure that is nearly double the recommendation for healthy young adults. The power of protein lies in its constituent amino acids, especially leucine, an essential amino acid that acts as a critical switch, activating complex biological pathways that lead to muscle protein synthesis. As we age, our muscle cells may become less sensitive to the signal from leucine, requiring larger amounts and better quality protein to achieve the same response. Lean protein sources, which are rich in leucine and easily absorbed, provide exactly that stimulus. A 100-gram serving of lean meat can provide about 25 grams of complete protein, containing all the essential amino acids needed for muscle tissue regeneration, while also providing other important micronutrients such as creatine in red meat, iron, zinc, and B vitamins, supporting the process of transporting oxygen to the muscles and maintaining energy metabolism. Ensuring enough high-quality lean protein every day is the golden key to maintaining your muscle fortress. With these 9 food warriors, you have a comprehensive nutritional arsenal in your hands. So how to combine them effectively and turn knowledge into real power? Let me summarize the most important points. In short, your health future. Decide today. We have been on a journey of discovery together. Now you have a better understanding of sarcopenia, not just the dry statistics, but the hidden danger that can rob you of your freedom of movement, the burden of dependence, the fear of every step you take. It is a prospect that none of us want. But most importantly, you have been equipped with the knowledge of 9 food warriors, simple solutions, right at your fingertips with extraordinary power to protect and restore your strength foundation. These are not far-fetched theories or complicated remedies. These are real choices you can make starting with your next meal. Don't let procrastination or old habits hold you back. Every day that passes without action, the silent thief continues its work, but you can change that. The power to write a new chapter for your health in old age, a chapter of resilience, self-reliance, and the joy of movement, lies entirely in your decision today. Choose strength. Choose freedom. Choose a better quality of life. If these values really resonate with you, if you want to continue the journey of discovering the secrets to help you and your loved ones live healthier and more self-reliant every day, then don't hesitate. Click subscribe now and tap the notification bell icon. It's not just a support for the channel, but more importantly, it's a way for you not to miss any videos containing information that can really change your life, helping you stay away from the silent killers who are stalking your health. Thank you for your interest in following and supporting our channel. We wish you and your family good health, full of positive energy, happy and healthy living, and finding joy in every moment. Goodbye. And see you in the next videos.